Cubana chief priest just opened his new multi-million naira restaurant in Lagos called The Donors. Zlatan Ibile just bought a new Lamborghini Urus for 600 million naira. Okay guys, on the news today, Cubana chief priest Rema himself just opened his new multi-million-dollar restaurant in Lagos called The Donors. He was visited by some of his friends and some of his billionaire colleagues. All of them trooped out for the launching and opening of this new massive restaurant called The Donors. Cubana chief priest has been growing in his businesses, expanding from Owerri to Asabana and Lagos. Pokuli was there and a whole lot of Nigerian celebrities and his billionaire friends as they trooped out in grand style just to celebrate with him and also congratulate him and also patronize him. This is a really big and massive achievement. Cubana chief priest is really pushing his limit and we are super proud of how he's moving and he's making a name for himself. We are super proud of it. This new restaurant, a multi-million-dollar restaurant in Lagos, and you have to see how his friends they trooped out with their luxurious and exotic cars just to celebrate with him and congratulate him.
24 hours fast food. Don't say and she freeze around this one. Manina went to Manina Watai. You said, sir, welcome in here, Matawan, worldwide chief priest. Ati they say, let's get there. Shush! Hey, this is the lounge the Lord has made.
Privately.
Jeez, the lighting is sick. Hey, chief priest. No, you do family biscuit. I'm not gonna lie for you.
We are excited.
Jeez! Big congrats, boss.
Thank you. We say I can go see what Jesus Asake the ocha. Akage the ocha, only Akage the ocha. Lena can okay. Akage the ocha. We went in the Jana good after the that's the second.
The chief priest. The chief
Dangote of our time.
Chief priest.
The Dangote of our time.
Chief.
1 trailer, 2 trailer, 3 trailer, in fact 20 trailer.
Yes, sir. As the more. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Of Wizkid.
Yes, sir.
Axel, I'm getting up front. Like I'm going to make my money back. Not in up front. Don't be there. I'm in two-phase. Numero uno. Worldwide, those.
Some people don't say they know ZH. They are telling us they know NH.
I tell you.
Peter.
The priest.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah.
Thank you. Always, bro.
Zlatan Ibile just bought a new Lamborghini Urus for 600 million naira. Okay guys, Zlatan Ibile, the Zankut, the world master, just bought a new Lamborghini Urus worth 600 million naira. The boy is moving crazy. Zlatan Ibile just launched his new luxurious cars. He was seen with the car as Pokoli was hailing him. The car is really looking beautiful and massive. Okay guys, drop a comment below. Tell what you think about it. What do you think about Zlatan Ibile new car collection? Drop a comment below. Tell what you think about it. Like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Where the Lambo? Where the Lambo? Sleep there. Me we don't buy Lambo. Me we don't buy Lambo. We Babala said Lambo drugs. He dey Lagos. Lambo. He dey Lagos.